As 2025 approaches, the business world stands on the precipice of radical transformation, a change fueled by an often untapped resource: personal strengths. For aspiring entrepreneurs, the implications are nothing short of monumental. Picture this: a world where business is no longer a soulless cog in the machinery of profit-making, but a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of individuality, purpose, and connection. But this shifting paradigm comes with its challenges. Amidst an avalanche of rapid technological advancements and changing societal dynamics, many still cling to traditional business models, watching helplessly as innovation dashes past them on the information superhighway. It can be frustrating to feel sidelined in a landscape that seems to reward originality and adaptation, leaving you to wonder if your particular set of strengths is truly a selling point or just a bitter echo of better days. Yet here lies the crux of the tension. Personal strengths are not merely personality traits. They are powerful forces that can redefine entire industries. Businesses that embrace personalization can carve out a competitive edge, taking a page from platforms like Etsy. By harnessing their unique skills, be it crafting artisanal goods or offering bespoke services, entrepreneurs can create connections that resonate deeply with their audiences. Imagine a world where customer experience isn't just a buzzword, but a tailored narrative that speaks directly to the consumer's heart. Research from Harvard Business Review highlights that businesses that prioritize societal needs see not only increased engagement, but unparalleled loyalty, as seen in brands like Patagonia and Tom's. There's a sense of urgency here for aspiring entrepreneurs. Either adapt and embrace these fundamental shifts or risk being left in the dust, wondering what went wrong. Now let's lift the veil of despair and pivot to what's possible. With 30% of the workforce projected to work remotely by 2025, individuals can finally harness their strengths regardless of geographical constraints. Picture the digital marketing expert lighting up client success stories from a beach in Bali, or a freelance graphic designer crafting stunning visuals from a cafe in Paris. This is the future bursting with potential, where personal strengths create business opportunities at every turn. And the icing on the cake? Technology has advanced to a place where understanding one's strengths is more accessible than ever. Tools like StrengthsFinder and DISC assessments pave the way for entrepreneurs to identify their unique talents, fusing them directly into their business blueprint. From LinkedIn profiles that showcase personal genius to platforms like Coursera, offering routes to further skill enhancements, the tools for success are at your fingertips. Yet, as echoed by the voices of thought leaders like Gary Vaynerchuk, this isn't just about wanting, it's about necessity. The businesses of tomorrow will echo the ethos of their founders, weaving personal strengths into the very fabric of their identity. And with that clarity comes the payoff. An opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs to redefine success, not through the lens of mere profit, but as stewards of experience, connection, and purpose. But what if embracing solitude and deep thinking isn't just a background trait, but a powerful force in business? In the realm of entrepreneurship, there exists a prevailing belief that success is the domain of the extroverted. The charismatic networkers who effortlessly command a room and charm investors with their audacity. It's an enticing narrative, but beneath the surface lies an intricate tapestry of introverted entrepreneurs who are quietly reshaping the business landscape, proving that you don't have to be outgoing to find unparalleled success. Imagine the introverted child, often found lost in thought, drawing sketches, or jotting down ideas. This same child grows into an adult who embodies the very essence of deep thinking and reflection, a hallmark of successful introverts. When the world is chaotic, they create order through contemplation. Consider Warren Buffett, the billionaire known for his contemplative approach to investing, whose reserved nature belies the wealth of knowledge he has gained. It's astonishing. This quiet soul has built an empire through careful, deliberate decision-making. As introverts embrace solitude, they unlock an untapped reservoir of creativity. In a world filled with noise and distraction, they find inspiration sitting alone, scribbling their next big idea. Just look at Tristan Walker, whose venture, Walker & Company Brands, emerged from a keen awareness of a market that was overlooked. His innovation wasn't the loudest voice in the room. It was a whisper that led to groundbreaking personal care products catering to people of color. Now juxtapose that against the stereotype of the gregarious entrepreneur, and you find a tension brewing, a clash of perspectives. While extroverts often lean on connection, introverts delve deep, assessing details that others might gloss over. Evan Williams, co-founder of Twitter, thrived on this principle. His meticulous attention to detail shaped the platform into the social media giant it is today. Rather than shouting from the rooftops, he listened, observed, and innovated. But even as the narrative shifts, it remains fraught with barriers. The business world often undervalues the introvert's strength in listening and empathy. Look at Bill Gates, who built Microsoft on the foundation of understanding what employees and customers truly needed. Just think of how often we overlook the power of empathy. The anger stemming from this oversight can be palpable, yet it is precisely this quality that allows introverts to forge deep, meaningful relationships that fuel their entrepreneurial endeavors. As we reach the climax of this exploration, we land on a revelation that could reshape how we perceive entrepreneurship. Introverted leaders cultivate work environments that nurture a diversity of thought and style, a quality vital in today's business ecosystem. Howard Schultz, the visionary behind Starbucks, not only advocated for a unique coffee experience, but also emphasized creating spaces where everyone thrives, not just the extroverts. Imagine if your perceived weaknesses are your greatest strengths waiting to be unleashed. In the unfolding landscape of entrepreneurship, an invisible current is reshaping the nature of business itself, an evolution so profound that it leaves many aspiring entrepreneurs grappling with uncertainty. They cling to outdated ideas, yet the world around them twists and turns with dizzying speed. The pandemic may have receded, but its impact lingers. A relentless reminder that adaptability isn't merely a choice, it's a necessity. Technology has transformed from a luxury into the very backbone of survival for businesses. This isn't just a warning, it's a wake-up call. According to a 2023 survey by Statista, a staggering number of executives reported that integrating high-end technologies during their digital transformation didn't just improve their business, it skyrocketed their performance. Imagine this: artificial intelligence, once confined to sci-fi movies, is now a lifeline, enhancing customer experiences and operational efficiency. Companies that ignore this newfound potential risk not just failure, but total obsolescence. But here's where it gets even more confounding. Consumer behavior has shifted dramatically. Recent insights by YouGov and Deloitte reveal that consumers are no longer passive recipients of products. They are informed gatekeepers, demanding sustainability and security in their purchases. The sustainable option is no longer just a bonus, it's a prerequisite for loyalty. Businesses that haven't adapted to these consumer-driven changes remain locked in a cycle of frustration, watching as potential loyal customers turn to competitors who understand that greener options are not just better for the planet, but better for business. And let's not overlook the economic arena, volatile and unpredictable, influenced heavily by global upheaval. Reports from McKinsey paint a picture of stark contrasts, with U.S. GDP growth predictions swinging like a pendulum. Companies must adopt agility as their mantra, or risk being swallowed in the tide of uncertainty. Those who navigate these tumultuous waters with resilience and foresight are the ones who will emerge stronger, transforming challenges into opportunities. It's a test of endurance that only the most adaptive will pass. As we delve deeper into this intricate interplay of technology, consumer trends, and economic conditions, the realization hits hard. Understanding these dynamics is no longer optional. It's the cornerstone of success in 2025 and beyond. Those who grasp this truth will find themselves not only surviving, but thriving in an environment that demands constant evolution. Now, envision a world where your strengths not only define your business, but also elevate it to extraordinary heights. In this new era of entrepreneurship, success isn't just about what you do, it's about who you are. Your unique blend of skills, passions, and perspectives isn't just an asset, it's your competitive edge in a marketplace hungry for authenticity and innovation. As we stand on the threshold of 2025, the message is clear. The best business to start isn't a one-size-fits-all model, but a reflection of your strengths and the evolving needs of society. Whether you're an introvert with a knack for deep analysis or an extrovert with a flair for networking, there's a niche waiting for you to fill it. The question isn't whether you have what it takes, it's whether you're brave enough to embrace your true self and let it shine through your business. So as you contemplate your entrepreneurial journey, remember this: in a world pulsing with potential, your greatest strength lies in being unapologetically you. The future of business is personal, it's purposeful, and it's waiting for you to make your mark. Will you rise to the occasion and create a business that's not just profitable, but profoundly impactful? The choice is yours, and the time is now.